Hi, hope you all are well. Today I would like to talk about the very minimum requirements you need to study in Finland, either it is in bachelor degree, master's degree or diploma degree. Whatever the degree is, I would like to say the minimum degree, then it will be different based on your required subject, what you would like to study, based on your previous background. But mostly this is the minimum requirements you should have. Then you can actually think to study in Finland, either one university or other university. You will get the admission. So let's talk about first very important requirements: English language certificate. 99 point universities are in Finland accepting IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, SAT, GMAT and GRE. So based on the university, it's vary, but if you have actually from IELTS 6 or PTE 55 or TOEFL 60, then you can think like you can apply in Finland for bachelor degree. And then if you have a 6.5 IELTS, PTE 60, and then TOEFL about 80, then you can think that you can apply for master's degree. From my experience, I have been checking all the universities and I have talked to the university admissions and others. Duolingo, a lot of you have been asking about Duolingo. So the Duolingo, only one institute who is accepting Duolingo, except that I still couldn't find one institute who accept Duolingo. So Duolingo is not very well known in Finland, not acceptable in a lot of universities in Finland. Actually, not any university, but one university who accept Duolingo. And then so you can apply through the Duolingo only in one institute. And then you need some other things, which is your higher secondary certification. If you have like over 3 in higher secondary exam from out of 5, then you can actually think like that you will get an admission in Finland very easily, either this university or that university. And if you have a higher mathematics or advanced level math and physics in your higher study, then definitely you will get much easier admissions in Finland. And now comes to the master's degree. Master's degree is a very complicated one. If I would say, I am very young entrepreneur in educational industry, and anyway we are working only with the Finland, so we are very expert on Finland. So based on my knowledge, when I talked with them and I checked their subjects and requirements, what we have found most of the time, like in other countries, if you have a completed bachelor's in business administration, then you can easily get admission in MBA. And then if you have a completed bachelor's in software engineering, still you can get admission in engineering or MBA. But here in Finland, it's not like that. 99.9 university or 90%, if I don't go that hard, like 90% of university, they always say they need previous education which is related to the master degree what you would like to do. So if you would like to do masters in finance, so it is really good to have bachelor's in finance from your home country or anywhere in the world. But if you have bachelor's in marketing and you would like to study bachelor's in finance, then it is really it is not wise to apply. I think it's really minimum. There is a minimum chance to get admission on that kind of basis. Then a lot of you ask, how about without IELTS, without language certificate? I do not have that. Yeah, in Finland there are still some university who is still accepting master's degree with just work experience. So what is that? If you have a 2 years work experience in business study, if you would like to study in, let's say I would like to study in masters in business administration, and then I have been working in an office where I have been working 2 years at least in a office position, office assistant or whatever it is, so I can apply for masters in business administration. In that kind of places, there are a lot of applicants who applied, and then there will be also entrance examination based on the pre-education and pre-materials provided by the university. Some university provide the materials, some university doesn't. And then you will have an interview. After that you will get the admission. These days I have seen also university don't not much eager to actually also take the online entrance examination these days. I don't know why, but I have seen that still it is also one kind of like big issues for the university and University of Applied Sciences in Finland. So this is like how you can apply for the master degree. So you need to have at least a bachelor degree which is equivalent to a master degree. That is really good. Now we have found few applicants, if I say, who would like to study in English language in master degree, and who would like to study in law in master degree. That is also possible, but again, it should be, you should have like bachelor's in law, bachelor's in English, then you should have like good enough English language skill, then you should have a good credits, then you can apply master degree. So I think this is all, and then I would like to in next video I would share you what kind of application period we have in Finland. And anyway, if you need any help, then you can definitely ask us, and we will help you from our side as much as you know. If we do not know, we will ask the institute, and we will give you the honest review or honest feedback about your subjects. So best of luck with your preparation, and have a good day to you. Thank you. Bye bye.